Yeah, I think we need to talk about The Simpsons because I have no idea what to do with this information. Time travel, esoteric knowledge, the Mandela effect, 2012, CERN, Project Looking Glass. I don't know. So basically, the quick rundown is that The Simpsons have made upwards of 30 at this point insanely accurate predictions about the future. And it's almost like every time something huge happens in the world, The Simpsons has already predicted it like 10 years ago. And it sounds like funny and cute, kind of, oh, it's like The Simpsons conspiracy theory. And then it blows up and becomes absolutely world breaking. So, because this is such an all encompassing theory, I'm just going to stick to what I believe are the most impactful and craziest examples of Simpsons predictions in this video. Okay, example one is episode New York versus Homer Simpson. This episode aired in 1997, almost exactly 4 years before 9/11 happened, and Bart can be seen holding up a big wad of cash in front of a magazine that says New York with a weirdly huge $9 label on it, and just behind the $9 you can see the Twin Towers acting as the 11 in 9/11. Whoa. Example 2, moving right along, we have the episode called Bart to the Future. So in the year 2000, the Simpsons writers not only predict that Trump will become president, but they seem to pull an actual frame out of the video of Trump's announcement for his presidential bid. So you can see right here, Trump on the escalator, and I want you to look to the left of your screen at that little vote sign. And just as Trump gets closer to the kid, he drops the little vote sign. Okay, here, 15 years later, on an identical escalator, right after Donald Trump announces that he's going to run for president, he's going down the escalator, exact same camera angle, and you can see on the far left that someone's holding a sign. Okay, there's the sign, and as they get further down the escalator, the girl drops the sign. Sign. No sign. Sign. No sign. Okay, now for what I think is just the most jarring, insane example of this theory. The God particle. So scientists tried for decades to discover what would be called the God particle, or the Higgs boson particle. And basically the Higgs boson particle is something that gives other particles mass. To simplify it even more, it's basically the thing that our universe is made out of. It's like a building block of reality. And this particle was discovered in 2012 using the Large Hadron Collider at CERN. The God particle was discovered at CERN in 2012. What does this have to do with The Simpsons? Well, how about I tell you right now? In the 1998 episode Wizard of Evergreen Terrace, Homer can be seen drawing an equation on a chalkboard. This equation accurately describes the nanomass of the Higgs boson particle 14 years before it would be discovered by scientists. If you want to hear more Simpsons predictions or more about CERN and the significance of 2012 and the Large Hadron Collider, comment part